Hi there, welcome back to the channel. We're just about to do a compound exercise workout. Compound exercises work multiple muscles in the body at the same time. I'm just going to tell you, I already did this workout and I ran out of memory on my phone. So this is actually the second time I'm doing this workout today. Hopefully the second time will be even better. So let's go. Start with a burpee move, hands over your head, down to the ground, march it out, and then walk it in, walk it out. Back to the top of the mat and stand up. Let's do it again. Back down, jump it out, walk it in, walk it out. Jump it in, top of the mat. Here's your alternative. One leg at a time, and then walk it in, walk it out, and then jump it to the top of the mat. Or both legs at the same time, a little bit harder. Then walk it in, walk it out. Getting that extra leg movement in. We're working virtually every muscle in the body with this exercise. All right, we're going to do a shoulder press and squat. Grab your weights, stand nice and tall. Bring the weights to the shoulders, press it up, down into a squat. Nice deep squat. It's a beautiful day. I'm so happy I get to do this workout again. Raise those weights one at a time. If you need a rest, you can always just hold the weights at the shoulder and just stick with the squat. Otherwise, nice little press up, down into a squat. Remember, sit back, knees do not go over the toes. Oh, this feels great. Especially the third time around. Get ready for a down dog and a push-up. All right, here we go. We're gonna walk down to the mat, walk it out, one push-up, into a down dog, kick the legs, back down and hold that plank for a second, push it right back up into standing again, and repeat it. Down to the ground, walk it out, into a full push-up, up into a down dog, kick each leg, back down and hold that plank for a second, walk it back up again. If you need an alternative, walk down to the knees, do a push-up off the knees, but then get right back up into that down dog. Do those leg kicks. Ab move next. Did I mention this is the third time I'm doing this? Okay. Down on the ground, get ready for it. Lift up the head, point the hands, lift the knees, lift the legs, stretch the legs out, arms over the head. If your neck hurts in this position, you can drop your head to the ground. Back is flat to the mat and hold it. Look up at that beautiful blue sky. Think about what a beautiful day it is to do a great workout. If you feel that back coming up, reset. Here's your reset. Lift the legs again, down, over the head. Again, drop the head if you feel neck pain, and hold it. Come on, we can do it. Okay, here I go. Grab your weights. Get ready for some Romanian leg lifts. I'm just making this up. Using our balance, we're going down on the one leg, 4 rows, 2, 3, 4, and stand it back up again. We're using our balance to get down into that Romanian deadlift, single leg. Find your balance and then do your rows, 4 rows. It's going to be challenging. One leg will be harder than the other. Find that balance. Get that leg out. Now do your rows, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Stand it back up again. If you fall down, it's okay. Just get back up again. Do those rows. 2, 3, 4, and back up again. One more time. Okay, here's a nice easy one. We're going to do some jumping jacks. For the third time for me. Okay, jumping jacks. Yes, jumping jacks are a compound exercise. Look at all the muscles in the body that we're working. We're using our leg muscles, our stabilizers, our core, our arms. If you would like, by the way, a low impact alternative, this is it. Regular, or if you want a little bit more challenging, you can lift those arms up the middle as well. Anyway, jumping jacks are fun and an easy compound move to do. Also a great cardio move as well. Keep it going. A few more seconds. Okay, grab those weights. Put them in front of your feet. Get ready to pull them up. Grab the weight. We're going to do 8 on each side. Pull it up and down to the ground again. Pull it up. Do an equal number on each side. We're using our shoulder muscles. We're using the muscles of the back. We're using our oblique muscles, our stabilizers. This is an excellent compound move. It's great to get those shoulders in. Everybody likes to have nice looking shoulders, shapely arms. This is a great exercise for that. And for the back. I'm just going to start doing some fun stuff until our time runs out. This is great. All right, we're going to do some bicep curls in a lunge position. So get ready, one leg in front of the other. Lower yourself down into the lunge position and then just lift and lower the weights. You are going to feel that in your legs and your butt, especially if it's your third time doing it today. I don't know if I mentioned that already. If you need to take a little bit of a rest, because I think I do, you can go one arm at a time for your curls. And also we want to switch sides so that we work the legs equally. Knees are not over the toes. Try to stay nice and steady in that position. A few more seconds. Okay, that was the end of round 1, or round 3 for me. We're going to take a quick break here, grab a drink of water, shake it out a little bit, just like 30 seconds to a minute here. You can always pause the video if you need a little bit longer of a rest. We're going to go right back and do that same set of exercises again, so get ready. Okay, remember that burpee, top of the mat. Jump it back. Climb it in, climb it out, climb it in, climb it out, climb it in, climb it out. Get back to the top of the mat again. Jump it. Little bit of a climb. Get back to the mat. Remember your alternative. One leg at a time. Then that climb it in, climb it out, climb it in, climb it out. Jump it. Whew. Ah. Climb it. Jump. Stretch it up. Feels great. Oh, we're almost there. Grab those weights. Let's see if I can do this a 4th time. On the shoulders. Lift the weight, one at a time, down into a squat. Shoulder press, down into that squat. This is my 4th time doing this. So if you need a rest, because I do, you can just keep the weights on the shoulders. Otherwise, if you got it in you, push those weights up, down into the squat. Working the shoulder muscles, muscles of the back, the legs, the butt, the calves, the stabilizers, the core, everything. Get ready for the down dog. Let's go. All right, remember this one. Walk it down into the push-up position. Do a push-up. Up into a down dog. Kick the legs. Get back down into that plank for a second. Push it back up into a standing position. One more time. Down on the ground. Walk it out. Single push-up. Down dog. Kick it. Back down into that plank. Hold. Back up again. I'll show you the alternative. On the mat. Down to the knees. Push up on the knees. But you get right back up into that down dog. And you kick it. Down into that plank. My core move's coming up next. Remember, flat on your back. Back against the mat. Lift up the head. Point the hands. Lift the knees. Lift those legs. Lower the legs. Arms over the head. If your neck starts to hurt, you can rest that head on the ground if you need to. And hold it. It's a beautiful day. We're working all of our core muscles like crazy in this move. Remember, you feel the back starting to come up, reset. Arms out, legs up, drop those legs again, arms above the head, and just hold it. Try to glue that back to the mat. Grab those weights. Get ready for those single Romanian deadlifts. Remember, we're balancing down. Find your balance. 4 rows. 2, 3, 4. Stand it back up again. Other side. Find your balance. It's going to be harder on one side than the other. For me, it's my left. Stand it back up again. Balancing forces the stabilizers row to work that much harder. 2, 3, 4, and makes the move more difficult. That's why we're doing it on one leg. Drop it down and find your balance. 4 rows. 2, 3, 4. Bring it back up again. Don't fall over, Julia. 1 more. 4 rows. 2, 3, 4. Drop those weights. 1 more jumping jacks. My 4th set of jumping jacks today. All right, here we go. Just some jumping jacks. Not hard. Very easy. Light on your feet. Knowing you're working all these muscles in your body at the same time feels so good. Here's your low impact alternative. Remember that one. And you're just regular old jumping jacks. Or getting fancy. Bringing the arms up the middle if you feel like it. Or just regular. Or low impact. So many different ways to do one fun exercise. It's a beautiful day. Grab the weights. Put them in front of your feet. Hurry. We're almost done. Nice and loose. Grab the weight. Push it up. Remember this one. 8 on each side. Working those shoulder and back muscles, oblique muscles, stabilizers. Getting that nice shapely arms and this nice shapely back. Working a lot of different muscles in the body at the same time with all of these exercises. Very efficient, effective way to work out. And I'm just going to do one on each side till we run out of time. This workout gets funner every time I do it. Last exercise. Get ready for that lunge on the bicep curls. Keep smiling. We're almost there. Okay, down into that lunge position. Remember, hold it. Just hold it. And just curl those dumbbells. If you need to rest, remember you can single arm it. We're going to move to the other leg. Got to work each side equally. Get down into that lunge. Knee is not going over the toe, remember. Keep those arm movements nice and controlled. We're really working the stabilizers, the leg muscles, the biceps. Using a lot of effort to keep that body nice and straight in that lunge position. We did it! That was a great compound exercise, and I mean compound, workout, and it only took us about 15 or 16 minutes. We worked every single muscle group in the body today. You did great. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this workout, please subscribe to the Trainer Julia channel, and you'll get a lot more workouts and videos like this one. Little to no equipment, about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can do them anywhere. This is Trainer Julia saying, see you next time, and have a fit day.